Welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. This video will focus on installing the SalesIQ SDK on your iOS mobile application. Zoho SalesIQ Mobile SDK will let you embed the tracking and the live chat widget codes in your existing iOS mobile application, using which you can track your app users and converse with them. Let me tell you how this works. The SalesIQ SDK code has to be implemented in your application code to get the widget on your application. And the requirements? The iOS SDK is compatible with iOS version 9 and above. Also, make sure you're running the latest version of Xcode in your development environment. In this video, we will be using Zoho Homes as the demo app. Installation using CocoaPods. To add Zoho SalesIQ SDK to your app, as the first step, you need to add MobiListen pod to the pod file. To do so, run the pod init command from the project's root directory. Running this command will create the required pod file. When the pod file is created, you can add the MobiListen pod to it. Once the pods are added, run the pod install command. Open your project.exe workspace in Apple Xcode and then navigate to Zoho Homes and to appdelegate.swift. Following this, you need to include the import MobiListen statement. Then the init statement. Inside the init statement, you need to include your app key and the access key. Use the application's bundle ID to generate these credentials inside the SalesIQ portal. Generate the keys and paste them inside their respective slots in the init statement. Following this, set Zoho SalesIQ.show live chat to true. Only if you include this statement, you will be able to see the live chat widget on your app. Choose the deployment target and run the build. When the build succeeds, the simulator opens up and you will see the live chat widget on your mobile app. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.